In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up a Gusto account. To get started, open your web browser and go to gusto.com. Make sure you are on the official Gusto website before you continue, especially if you arrived from a search result. Once you are on the homepage, look for the option to create a free account. Gusto typically guides new users through a short sign-up flow, and you can choose the method that works best for you. If you prefer a faster setup and you use a Google account for work, you may see an option to sign up with Google. Selecting that can save time because it helps fill in some information automatically. If you would rather sign up manually, choose the standard sign-up option. Next, you will enter your basic details. Type in your first name and last name, then enter your work email address. After that, add your company name. Take a moment to double-check spelling here, since this information may appear in account settings and payroll-related documents later. You will then be asked for a few company details. Enter the number of employees at your company. If you are not sure of the exact number, use your best current estimate, because you can often update this later as your team changes. You will also be asked to enter a company phone number. Use the main business number you want associated with the account. After that, you will create your password. Choose a strong password that is unique and hard to guess. Then confirm the password by typing it again exactly the same way. If the system shows a password strength indicator, aim for a stronger rating to help keep your account secure. When everything is filled out, click the button to create your account. Give it a moment to finish, and once it completes, your Gusto account will be ready to explore. From here, you can begin setting up your payroll and start adding people as employees. Take your time reviewing the dashboard and any prompts Gusto provides, since those tools are designed to help you complete setup smoothly. And that is all there is to it.